Today we are happy to bring you our Christmas program for 2025. As we start each Sunday in Spirit School, we shall ring the bell and breathe together using the God breath.
When I ring the bell, listen closely. When you can't hear it anymore, raise your hand. Now it's time for the God breath. Put up your left hand and follow along with words and breathe in and out with us. God is, breathe in. I am, breathe out. God is, I am. 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 Wherever I am, God is.
In Spirit Soul, after the breath, we begin with prayer, and today we will recite a Christmas blessing written by James Dillard Freeman.
This is our prayer for you this Christmas. This is our prayer for you
This Christmas.
May there always be room in your heart for divinity and find a birthing place.
May you be holy as the angels were,
Faithful as the shepherds were,
Humble as the cattle were.
wise as the wise men were.
may you have the compassion Mary had,
And the understanding Joseph had.
And may the blessing of the Christ child be yours.
not just because of his birth long ago,
But because his love is born in you today. Namaste.
Have a Christmas poem by James Dillard Freeman. James once wrote, "What then should my poems do for you? First of all, they should sing for you. Then they should set your singings. Poetry is song. Well, James, we have set your poem to the tune of a favorite Christmas carol, O Little Town of Bethlehem, because we know you love Christmas so much."
Thank you.